want to say congratulations for being here for day 3 because I'm so proud of you. And I want to encourage you that our title today is Someday Into Today, because how many people say, someday I'll get started. Someday I will start building my business. Someday I'm going to get into this. But your somedays never come. I really want to focus on this because this is where most people get stuck. They think that there's going to be a perfect time. Friends, there's never going to be a perfect time. What's in your heart, what keeps pushing you forward and telling you, let's go, that's what you need to listen to, because that little inner voice is telling you it's time. I just want to encourage you this. Life doesn't slow down. Life goes faster and faster and faster. Your kids won't suddenly stop needing you. Things won't stop going away. Your bills are always going to be there. Life happens. Are you prepared for all the things life's fixing to happen? You know, some people are still teaching, and they're 30 years into teaching, and they're still teaching. Some people are working jobs 30 years longer than what they wanted to, because that's just the way life is. Do you have plan B in place, or do you keep putting that someday off because this is the only thing that you think you can do? Success happens whenever you take and make that impact, and it starts today. Whenever I first started, I was scared. I didn't know what was going on. You know, I walked away from a teaching career, came into the digital online space. I didn't know all of the stuff that was in here. So you have your job, and you have everything that you have at your job, and it's all just like this. The internet is everywhere, and there's so much stuff out there. I just really want to encourage you. Stop waiting for someday, because today is the day. We're on a 90-day run to 30K. This is day 3. You're not too late. And I want you to jump in. I want you to get started. I want you to understand it's a step by step by step by step, baby steps to get you there. The next 30, 60, or 90 days, where are you going to be if you don't do something to change? You're going to be in the same spot that you've been for the last 30, 60, or 90 days, or the last 30 years. So my encouragement for you today is this. You deserve action. Stop waiting for the right time, because right now is the right time. And I'm proud of you for listening and understanding that there's other opportunities out there. Today, I want you to just write down one thing that you've been putting off till someday, one thing that you need to commit to. Take that one step forward, even if it's just as simple as getting the details to understand what's going on. The details don't cost you anything. Get the details, move forward, and pray about it and think about it. Take that one commitment today and do something for yourself, friends, because you so deserve it. Your families so deserve it. Are you ready for Christmas this year? If not, get in, take some action steps. Today's the day for you to get started and be prepared for everything that you need to do in the next 30, 60, or 90 days. Have a blessed one, my friend. I'm going to link below my community. Come join it. It's free. And be sure and hit that bell button and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed one.